Okay, now we're going to be working on geometric series. We're adding up all these numbers. In fact, I'm going to add up after the 7th term for questions 1 and 2. And we're going to be using this formula over here. There are always slight variations of it, but in the end, they're actually all the same. So a times 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. A is the first term. What is r? R will be the common ratio. In this case, just 6 over 2, so 3. And what about n? Because I want to add the first 7 terms, n is 7. So S7 is going to be equal to a times 1 minus, so r is 3. So we have 3 to the power of 7, since n is 7, all over 1 minus 3. Great. So here we're going to get 2 times 1 minus, now 3 to the power of 7. Use my calculator. I forgot, but it was 2187 all over 1 minus 3, negative 2. Great, so we're going to get 2 times. Now 1 minus 2187 is just negative 2186 all over negative 2. Now negative and negative, they cancel out, become positive. The 2's are going to also cancel out. And the final answer is 2186. That's it. So that is the sum of the first 7 terms of this geometric series. Okay, now let's do question number 2. We're also interested in the sum of the first 7 terms. And our a, the first term, is 3. What about r? R will be equivalent to negative 6 over 3, which is negative 2. I could have picked also the 12 divided by negative 6. I would also get negative 2 that way. And again, I want to know S7, the sum of the first 7 terms. Here we're going to have 3 times 1 minus negative 2 to the power. Now it's always very nice to put brackets around r, especially if it's negative. And we have it to the power of 7 all over 1 minus negative 2. Great, so we're going to get 3 times 1 minus, now 2 to the power of 7 is 128. And note that we have negative 2 to the 7, so that's going to come out as a negative number, just because 7's odd. Let me make a straighter line here for the fraction. There we go. All over 1 plus 2. Why is it plus? Because negative, negative, or minus negative make a positive. 1 plus 2, 3. So these 3's are going to cancel out. So we end up with 1 plus 128, because again, minus a negative makes a plus. And 1 plus 128 is 129, which is the sum of the first 7 terms. And we're done. We found both sums. Now I strongly advise that you try several questions like this, so you become comfortable with the formula. Not suggesting you skip your Saturday night plans or anything like that, but try them out. And we have quite a few questions on our website right here. Good luck.